Hey y'all, welcome to the Miseducation of GPTs, where we pull back the curtain on everything AI and bust those myths one by one. I'm your host, Sonya Hightower-Routt, your friendly AI coach, consultant, and educator, here to remind you that you are the magic behind the machine. Today's topic, it's a big one, and one I know gets people all in their feelings. GPTs steal jobs. Whew, let me tell you, this myth has been working overtime. But stick with me, because by the end of this episode, you're going to see that GPTs are not a threat, but they are an incredible tool that can help us all work smarter and not harder. So grab your coffee, your notebook, or whatever you need, and let's dive in. Now let's keep it real. This fear didn't come out of nowhere. We've all seen those headlines, robots are coming for your job, or AI will make workers obsolete. It's enough to make anyone nervous, right? But let's take a beat. This isn't the first time we've faced a major shift in how we work. Remember the Industrial Revolution? People panicked about machines taking over, but instead, we saw an explosion of new jobs and industries that didn't even exist before. AI is just the next chapter in the story. Here's the key difference though. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to amplify us. It's like giving a chef better tools in the kitchen. You're still the creative genius whipping up the masterpiece, but now you've got a sous chef that doesn't need coffee breaks. Let me hit you with some facts. Studies show that while AI might change the nature of work, it's also creating new jobs faster than it's automating old ones. In fact, industries like healthcare, education, and even the arts are booming with AI-related opportunities. Take my own work, for instance. I use GPTs every single day. Not to take over my job, but to make my work more efficient. Imagine trying to draft 10 lesson plans a week, create a new business pitch, and design some killer t-shirts all by yourself. Nah, that's burnout waiting to happen, believe me. But with GPTs, I've got a partner that helps me brainstorm, draft, and refine. It's like having an assistant who's always ready to collaborate no matter what crazy idea I throw its way. Here's the real tea. GPTs don't steal jobs. They take over the repetitive stuff, freeing us up to do what we do best: create, innovate, and connect. So let's talk about the wins, y'all. I've seen teachers use GPTs to transform how they plan lessons, saving hours that they now spend engaging directly with their students. I've seen entrepreneurs scaling their businesses faster because they're automating tasks like customer service and content creation. And let's not forget the new doors this technology is opening. Jobs like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and ethical AI consultants like myself didn't even exist a few years ago. Now they're some of the most exciting careers out there. Oh, and here's a pro tip. AI isn't just for techies. Anybody, yes, even you listening right now, can learn how to use GPTs to level up their work. It's not about replacing you. It's about empowering you. So, how do we shift our mindset from fear to empowerment? Start by asking yourself this: what part of my work do I love? And what part drains my energy? That's where GPTs come in. They can take the draining stuff, data entry, endless drafts, email replies, so that you can focus on the meaningful work that excites you. Here's the bottom line. GPTs aren't here to take your job. They're here to help you level up. If you've got the vision, the creativity, and the passion, no machine can replace that. You are the secret sauce, my friend. AI just makes it easier to spread that flavor around. All right, fam. Here's your challenge for the week. Think about one area of your work or life where you could use a little extra help. Then I want you to try a GPT tool like ChatGPT and see what it can do. Don't overthink it. Just explore. And if you're ready, if you're already using AI, hop on over to my Facebook group, GPT Masterminds Lounge, and tell me how it's helping you. I want to hear those wins because when one of us levels up, we all level up. That's it for today's episode, you guys, of the Miseducation of GPTs. If you love this convo, and I know you did, make sure to subscribe, share it with your crew, and leave a review. Let's keep changing the narrative together. Remember, you're the driver. AI is just the GPS. Until next time, keep dreaming, creating, and redefining what's possible. Love y'all. Peace.